Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering about the toilet seat.
What the fuck? Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really
No good.
Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the apple stage.
what? Apple on the head stage.
Yeah, it's where we put apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a John C.
Bo.
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
What happens if you miss? Well, if I miss, the air goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome. Okay. All right, let me go get my goggles.
Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. 3, 3, 3.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bull!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5. Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb!
Hi, how are you?